I said I was going to do a count of how many times I mess with my hair on the video, because I do that a lot. I don't know if it's like a nervous thing or what.
Well, you were nervous.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to MirrorCheck. Happy Vlogmas. My name is Crystal. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. You would have seen a vlog of my husband's birthday and just me throughout the week, and then my Christmas decoration video. And today I'm just headed out to get my nails done. Gonna try to go for that pedicure this time and go to lunch and try to get some content and then come back home and upload some video so that you can see what's going on. So I'll give you my outfit for the day. All right, so today I'm wearing just a simple stud right now. I have a pair of area earrings that I'm going to take with me to film with, and then I have on this Zara top that you'll see soon in a haul video. A good faithful jean that I've been wearing. I think these from Topshop, and some Arizona Love sandals and this leopard and like bandana. I would show y'all close up, but you know, that's why I'm going to the salon. I have my Brandon Blackwood Kendrick trunk, and then a pair of Dior Sunnies. So I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Vlog or a day.
This is Vlogmas and my hair is messed up. My hair fell, but I got my nails done. They red for the holidays. I got Sharice with me. But hey, Sharice.
Hi.
Her nails cute too, look. So you live in Charlotte, go to Anthony Vince and see, what's her name? Cindy. My girl, we just did plain. But they're cute. Okay, y'all, I'm back home. I didn't end up filming my a lot or a large portion of lunch because ended up meeting and having really good like girlfriend chat and inspirational chat with few young ladies, and it was just great, and I just wanted to cherish the moment and just be in the moment. But yeah, it was good. Went back to Bricktops, and I had the prickly pear margarita and grilled artichokes and a Caesar salad with anchovies. I know that ain't everybody's cup of tea, but it's mine. Caesar salad with anchovies and blackened shrimp and extra Caesar dressing. It was delicious. And I didn't even eat all my artichokes, left them on the table. Who else hates when they leave their leftovers? Knowing good and well I probably wasn't going to eat them, but I didn't want to leave them there for them to be just left over. Like, I wanted to be leftovers in my refrigerator. Anywho, I have a package that I got from Flamingo, and I want to go ahead and open it with you guys. I don't know what happened to my hair today, but I curled it and like it's like nothing even happened. But let's open this package together. Okay, so this is the package that it came in. It's from Flamingo. It says contents extremely smooth. Contents extremely smooth. I believe that Flamingo products are sold in Target. What is wrong with me? Target and Walgreens. I don't know. But this is so cute. So let's see. Says introducing our most comfortable shave yet. So we got some shaving products. These are new colors. I guess the colors that the razors come in: lilac, rose, papaya, and sage. Really pretty color palette. Let's see. Says that the razor has this is their most comfortable shave yet, with 5 blades, a 360 comfort system, a flexible hinge, and an ergonomic handle, which is really nice. Oh, it also says that 35% of the plastic in each one of the razors is the razor handle is recycled. New handles are compatible with any of our previous blade cartridges you might still have in your bathroom. You can also get refills delivered on your schedule. Okay. Take the quiz at shopflamingo.com/quiz and get a custom product routine featuring shave and wax. Subscribe and never run out of your body care essentials. That's nice. Alright, so what do we have? It's kind of cute. Let's see if it pops out. No, it doesn't pop out. So there's a little towel, and it says for your routine. Pretty cute. And we got foaming shave gel. Oh, it has aloe vera in it. if it smells like aloe vera. Like what kind of scent it has. I wonder. These are probably the handles. They come in a little box like this. There's nothing on it. On the side it says Shop Flamingo. And there's like a little flamingo right there. Can you see that? Little flamingo. Oh, sweet. It's a handle. It comes in that little... It's kind of cute. It has like a little flamingo on it. I don't know if you can see that. Little, like right there. But that's really cute. It actually is very comfortable to hold. You can kind of see how it bends. Pretty neat. So that is that. Oh, it does have a little embossed flamingo right here. And then a little shower stand for it. It has a little suction cup on the back. And oh. Get this out. They got 4 cartridges in here. Refills. Razor cartridges. 360 comfort system with aloe and shea butter. That's nice. And they're all in there. How sweet. Awesome. Well, thank you, Flamingo, for sending this over. I can't wait to use this to shave my legs. Okay, there was one other thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about, just real quick. So I wasn't sure if I was going to talk about this now, because one of the things I'm going to talk about is new. But I just got, well, not just got, I've had it for a minute. But the Zara Ebony Wood Joe Malone scent. It's $29.90. I'm pretty sure probably y'all have already heard all about it. If you haven't, then I'm happy I'm the first one to tell you about it. But if you're just hearing it from me, then you later than me, because I was already late to the party. But I ordered this in my last Zara purchase, and I kept hearing a lot of people talk about how good it smelled, and I just had to try it. So I did, and I'll be honest, it's not a scent that I'm like super in love with, but it does smell pretty good. Now, what made me sold on it was recently, even after I bought the bottle, there's a YouTuber out there, and oh my gosh, I can't think of her name right now. Oh, Sheree. She's she's a fragrance YouTuber. And she was talking about how she wanted to try out the new Tom Ford Ebony Fume. And she went into the store, at the Tom Ford store, and she was smelling, and she said how she loved it, which we already had it here at the house because my husband got it. But she was talking about the notes on her video that I was listening to, and she was saying it had ebony wood in, and I was like, girl, wait a minute. Let's do a little layering. So today I wore these two together and they smell great together. Absolutely amazing. So this is so I wore these two together today out and it was a match made in heaven. I definitely recommend, if you like a more woody scent or, you know, warm, a little bit more masculine, sexy, but light, this is definitely a great pairing. Nothing sweet about these at all. I mean, this one is a little bit on the more sweet side, but not sweet like candy or vanilla. It's just a little bit more sweet smelling, sweeter smelling than a vanilla, like my Kayali Vanilla 28, which is like a vanilla scent. Pair these two together and it's a match made in heaven. You heard it here first. Try it, try it, try it, try it. You got the high and the low together. But I think that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope that you guys had an amazing day. I did. And happy Vlogmas. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, mention it to someone in your circle, and let them know that MirrorCheck is here, and I'm Crystal, and I'm here to serve you in YouTube world, okay? Serve you looks, serve you scents, and just give out platters of extraness when I can. I'll see y'all in the next video.